A very common question in the Royal College exams is calculation of contact lens power from the patient's spectacles. So let's say, for example, a patient wears -10 diopter lens at a vertex distance of let's say 20 millimeters, and he asks you about the possible calculation for this contact lens. First, we need to know the rule. The rule is F2, which is the contact lens power, equals F1 divided by 1 minus D multiply F1. D is the bagged vertex distance in meters, not in millimeters. So 20 is 20 millimeter. But to use it, we need it in millimeters. So in millimeters, this 20 should be 0.02. So let's try this example. So F2, which is a contact lens power, equals -10, and pay attention to the convention sign, divided by 1 minus, open brackets, 0.02 multiply -10. So this would be -10 divided by 1 minus, open brackets, minus 0.2. So this takes us to -10 over 1.2, which equals nearly -8.33 diopters. So in the exam you might not find 0.33, but you might find -0.25, you might find -8 and -9. So of course the correct choice should be -8. Let's try another example here. Let's try the plus this time. So a patient wears spectacles of +10 diopters at a back vertex distance of 15 millimeters and calculate the contact lens. So this 15 millimeter should be 0.015. Here we use the same rule here. So F2 equals +10, 1 minus D, which is 0.015, multiply +10. We don't need to keep the plus each time, but we have paid attention to the convention sign. So it's +10 divided 1 minus 0.15, which equals +10 divided 0.85. So use a calculator. This value would be around 11.67, and the sign is plus. So this is the contact lens of this patient.